Hello children, good morning. Today we are discussing neutralization in daily life. Okay, first of all, once again we recollect what is neutralization. What is neutralization? Neutralization means if an acid react with base, it gives salt and water. This reaction is what we call neutralization reaction. Means already I told you what is the nature of salt. The nature of salt is neutral because acidic character and basic character both will be nullified, means their nature will be disappear, then we get a neutral substance. So the result of an acid and base gives neutralization effect. Okay, so this neutralization in our daily life playing an important role in so many ways. Okay, now discuss one by one. See children, first one is indigestion. First one is indigestion. We know for the digestion of the food we require hydrochloric acid. It will be secreted by our stomach only. HCl is helping us to digest the food. Okay, to digest the food we require HCl in some amount. But if we take over food, okay, if we take over food or sometimes indigestion will occur. So in this case we require more HCl. More HCl will be released by our stomach. So we know HCl is acidic in the nature. More acidic in the nature means definitely it affects our stomach and it acts on the stomach and causes irritation and pain. Okay, during indigestion more hydrochloric acid will be released by stomach. That HCl or hydrochloric acid acts on the walls of the stomach and it causes pain. If it persists, it continues means definitely it may leads to ulcers also. So here what is happening? Some acidic characteristic substance is causing some pain. So to neutralize this nature, we have to add some base. We have to add some base. That is what we call antacid. Antacid. Like milk of magnesia, we can take milk of magnesia. Means its chemical name is magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. And otherwise we can take solution of baking soda, also gives relief. Solution of baking soda also gives relief during indigestion. So anyway we have to add antacid. We have to take antacid during the indigestion. To neutralize this acidic effect we have to take an antacid like milk of magnesia or baking soda. Treatment of the soil is the second case. Yes, we know soil gives nutrients to the plants, means the growth of the crops depend on the soil only. So whenever if we use number of more fertilizers, then the soil becomes acidic. By using more chemicals, sometimes we see the farmers use so many fertilizers and etc to make the soil fertile, but by using more fertilizers and chemicals the soil become acidic. So this is dangerous to the plants. Okay, so then what we have to do? To neutralize this one we have to add some basic substance, then the acidic nature will be neutralized. So the basic substances like quicklime, that example quicklime. Quicklime, it is a powder, we can use this one, or slaked lime also we can use. Slaked lime. If quicklime is a powder actually, if you mix that powder in the water, that one is what we call slaked lime. So these two are basic substances. So if the soil is acidic, we have to add basic substances like quicklime or slaked lime. Then if the soil is basic, this is also problem only. If the soil is basic, then we have to add acidic substances. Like generally we are using some composts now. Composts and organic matter we can use. Organic matter. Organic matter means that dead or dry leaves. Okay, no? Leaves, leaves and animal waste, etc. You can add to the soil. Then these composts and organic matter releases some acidic substances. Then the basic soil will be neutralized. Okay, no? So in this way we can neutralize soil. Okay. So what is happening if the soil is acidic or basic? If the soil is acidic or basic, nutrients won't be supplied to the plants. Then crop will be doesn't give nice growth. Next example is ant sting. So many times we will be affected by ant sting. So if ant stings means definitely immediately it releases some acids. Okay, that acid name is formic acid. Formic acid. It causes immediately some irritation. It causes irritation or swelling also. Irritation or swelling due to the injected by ant injects this formic acid into our body. So this is acidic substance, no? Formic acid means acid. So what we have to do to neutralize this one? We have to use some basic substance. Okay, like we have to rub what we call baking soda. Okay, no? Baking soda we can use in that affected area. We can rub the baking soda. Or one more substance, calamine. Calamine, it contains zinc. It contains zinc and zinc hydroxide. I already told, no, every hydroxide is a base. So in calamine it contains some zinc zinc hydroxide. It neutralizes the effect of ant sting. So in this way we can use basic substances like baking soda or calamine solution to neutralize ant sting. Okay, no? So in the ant sting, what is the acid produced? Formic acid. Okay. That next fourth one is factory waste. Okay. Mostly in the cities, some towns, definitely they have so many industries now. So definitely every city and every town has industrial area. From that industries, so many waste materials, released into nearby ponds, lakes, rivers or seas, etc. These factories release those waste materials and pass them into the nearby water bodies. Okay, so these waste materials produced by factories contain so many acids. Okay, the waste materials released by factories having some acids, means acidic nature. So if they pass these acidic substances into the nearby water bodies like ponds, canals, etc., definitely the aquatic life will be affected. Definitely aquatic life will be affected. They will die also. So what we have to do before sending into the water bodies, we have to neutralize this waste materials by adding some basic substances. How can we neutralize? We can neutralize by adding just like slaked lime, etc. Slaked lime we can use. Then this waste material will be neutralized. Then they can pass into the water bodies. Then some extent to the aquatic life will be saved. So this is important one. Factory waste released by the factories having some acidic substances should be neutralized by adding some basic substance like slaked lime. Then it doesn't give much effect to the aquatic life. So in this way we have so many applications and uses, that is neutralization in the daily life. So many will be there. Even if you don't clean the teeth, if you don't clean properly, definitely we can affected by tooth decay will be affected. Tooth decay will occur. Tooth decay, pipple వచ్చేస్తాయి. So what we have to do, we have to take nice paste for brushing, then it will be neutralized, because if you take food, if you don't clean properly, the food produces some acids. So we have to use nice paste. Okay na? That too, if the paste containing some salt, it gives nice effect. So like this neutralization in daily life is very useful. Okay na? So with this concept lesson is completed, you have to read full textbook, and today I am sending PDF file to write classwork also.